build a super high converting sales funnel that looks fantastic and operates amazingly, completely for free. What is up, you guys? Right now, so I'm on a tool called Builderall. That is what it is. And yeah, so its website builder and its sales funnel builder is completely free. Anyone can use it. I'm going to start off by the beginning of this video by saying that the link is in the description to be able to sign up for it. And you'll also be able to get like all of my super dope, fantastic bonuses. But yeah, let's go back into this. So the software is Builderall, and I'm just gonna hop right into this. I'm not even gonna preface anything. So I want to show you like the templates. Like here's the templates, right? And these are website templates, whatnot. And then here are like sales funnel templates, right? Like here's your one-time offer, opt-in squeeze pages. If you took the one funnel away challenge, you'll recognize this. Oh, pretty cool stuff. Yeah, membership sites. But like you could select one of these templates, or you could start off with a blank canvas, which is like what I like to do. But yeah, and then like the full sales funnels, all of this, the whole entire package, the whole entire shebang. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and start off by like, let's say sales page structure. Let's save that, and then let's hop into that, and let's go ahead and like I want to show you guys the actual interface, the actual builder itself. All right, cool. We're in. So this is what it's going to look like once you like hop into the actual builder. You know, you can just go ahead and like hop in here, and you could change anything. You know, like would you make more sales if you had 100,000 leads? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So like super cool. Like everything, it's all like mobile ready and responsive, which is super cool. And like the fantastic thing about this, it's completely free. Like you literally just go and you make an account. Like you hop in, make an account, which like the link is in the bio, so you can make your own account for it and get my bonuses. But yeah, and then you just look through it. Everything's beautiful. Everything is just like fantastically put together. This you go and fix that. That shouldn't be like that. But yeah. So let me go ahead and show you like one of the coolest things that I just absolutely love. So let's drop down all the way to the very bottom, and when you go over to this little sidebar, you have your personal page settings and add. Like personal is like you could save and create. You could save your own personal. They call them panels. So like if you go and make like a specific call to action that you really like, you just come over here, because I did that. So this is my personal call to actions for like some of my sales funnels. Let's go ahead and click add, and then my computer's being slow. And then yeah, boom, a panel. Like I made this and I saved this, and like I use it for like a multiple of my sales funnels and stuff. But they have tons of them. So you go over here to add panels, like over to like first fold, and they have these perfect hero images first fold that you could use for like your sales funnels or your websites, because like it's not only for sales funnels, it's for websites also and stuff. And then you go to like business banners, more cool templates and banners and stuff like that. But one of the cool things that I just absolutely love is these blocks. These blocks and these opt-in banners. I'll show you the opt-in banners in a second. But look over here at all these blocks, and you'll notice that these are all parts of a sales funnel. Like you got like this is good. This is your bridge page, a bridge page, thank you page, and you can see where it says like theme number 4. Theme number 4. It's talking about like the what like theme it's going to go with, like these two. Theme number 4, like you see like they're matching. This says theme number 3. You see like those are matching. stuff like that. That's what that means. But then at the end of it, it says like reverse squeeze page, lead magnet, reverse squeeze page, of the application page, membership area. Yeah, just a bunch of cool stuff like that. And be like, oh, I want to add a, I want to add some, some different elements. Let's see in here. Like, oh, I want to have a one-time offer on this page, right? And click on that. It'll load up. I just have a bunch of tabs open on, I have 2 computer screens. So on my second screen, I have a bunch of tabs open. So it's just running a little bit slow or something. That's my own internet. But yeah, so here's your one-time offer block. Now it has like everything. You just hop in here and do not close this page. Press the back button. Wait, and be like, oh, just like click that, and you just go and like edit your text. Add some there, whatnot. Unbold that, bold that, and yeah, go ahead. Like you just hop in here, change your elements. I want to have like YouTube URL right there. Change the size, border. Like it's all here. It's all there. Like everything. And the thing is like you're gonna pay like $97 a month for ClickFunnels, or like $30 for Wix or something or whatnot. Well, this is like completely free. Like, and like the reason it's free is because this is their like their builder. This is like their website builder. But then like when you go and like get the paid version, you have like a bunch of more stuff. Like here's like here's my home screen. It has like all sorts of apps, like messenger bots, auto posting apps, like SEO page reports, social proof, VA, webinars, emails, website bots, Telegram funnels. Let's look to here for some cool stuff. Magazine builder, which is like make yourself like lead magnets, CRM. It has WordPress. All you WordPress lovers, Builderall has WordPress. Site builders, email. This is cool. Like the drag and drop email marketing. The crazy thing is like, so I used to have GetResponse, and it was like you could only have like 1,000 emails, and it was like $16 a month to have 1,000, and if you had like 10,000 or whatnot, then it was like $30, $50, and it went up for email. And then like ClickFunnels, they charge like $300 to be able to like have email marketing in there. Well, the crazy thing is like their email marketing, you get unlimited emails. Like if you had an email list of like 10 million emails, like for some reason, if you had an email list that humongous, you could have all of them there. And then you could send out 1 billion emails a month if you want, or whatever the heck you want. And you could just have like, unlimited emails, unlimited sending emails, unlimited lists, unlimited campaigns. And it's drag and drop, just like all the builders. Freaking crazy. Blows my mind, And then here's, like add a new page and whatnot. But I don't even know where the heck I was. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, completely free builder. It's super freaking fantastic. I remember like back like 2-3 years ago, I couldn't afford to have ClickFunnels. I couldn't afford to have any builder at all. Actually, I couldn't pay for Shopify. I was like that much in like the struggle, So I used to like, because MailChimp was free. So I would jump into Canva, which is also free. I would build sales page. I would build like little like panels like this, and like make like a sales page panel type things in Canva, and then I would upload them and post them and like copy and paste them to MailChimp to be able to create my own sales funnels inside of MailChimp, inside of their email landing page software. So yeah, like you just gotta do what you gotta do. I was like duct taping funnels together, but yeah, that's a funny story of myself. But that was it. That was like the struggle to try to get a sales funnel when you had no money. But now like you have like sources like this, and it's completely free. And I feel for people who like, if you want to have a free sales funnel, or you can't afford to have a website or a sales funnel like yourself, like I feel for you. Like wanting to have something free, and this is completely free and it's super, super cool. And like, since that's like where I like that's where I like started off, and that's where like I have like a lot of like rapport with like the people in that situation. So that's why I like put together like my own like bonuses that go along with this free builder. So like if you go and like sign up and get like the find it here. So here this will be like get your free website and whatnot. So if you go and sign up to get your free sales funnels builders, I'm an affiliate for Builderall. So if you ever like upgrade and like move up to get like all these apps and stuff, you know, for your business, I would get a commission. And yeah, like that's how affiliate marketing works. But you sign up for me, get your free account. I'll send you all these bonuses, which will be just a little bit about it. Let's go down. So I got content marketing templates, tons of them, you know, like to just like be able to post all over Facebook and Instagram and blogs and whatnot. Copywriting templates. There'll be like Facebook ad copy, email copy, long form sales letters and stuff like that. Like I have some pulled up right now. You know, it's like sales letter copy. So you can just go through here and be like, oh, in module 3, I need to tell them why they need this product component, make the sub headline above the title, you know, super cool. It's just like a step-by-step process of how to make a sales funnel yourself. Like this is your attention getting headline example, you know, super cool. I put that together. So you'll get stuff like that in these, and then you know, customer service templates, because I hate talking to people when like dealing with customer service. So I made all these customer service templates so no one else has to freaking deal with that. Like how to deal with like refunds and angry customers and like questions and stuff like that. They're all like pre-made responses and whatnot. Hundreds of pre-written emails. Yeah, email marketing campaigns. So like, yeah, just all of the email marketing campaigns you could possibly think of. I actually could pull some up right now so you could take a look at them real quick. Email marketing. So like email marketing campaigns, like sales email, launch emails, affiliate emails, you know, you click it. Now affiliate emails, you have like your sequence, you just copy and paste and like go and like change up what you need to change up. Back over here. Just freaking hundreds of pages, 42 pages to be exact on there, on this one at least. And then I have you know, like cold emails, because I know emailing is like a big huge thing. So like here's like cold emails to get yourself prospects and whatnot, and I have more email sequences and whatnot. Sales calls, you know, if you're gonna like sell something, I have pre-written scripts on sales, doing a sales call and like selling something. Sales funnel templates. Now this is really cool, because like when I first like got started, like, dude, I had no idea what the heck, what to even put on a sales page and a sales funnel and stuff like that. So I went ahead and made a little template of a sales funnel that you could use, where it's like just like has everything like written out. Like this will be where you put like your shocking statement. This is where you define the problem. When you define the problem, you tell them in no uncertain terms the exact problem they face, agitate the problem, present the solution, bullets, blah, 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 your offer stack, bonus stack, guarantee, call to action, all that cool stuff. And gosh, Andy, what else do I have? I have a freaking ton of stuff. Video scripts. If you're gonna make a video sales letter or whatever, and you want to make a video ad for your bridge page or whatnot, I have that complete schedule that you just like sort of like change up and like talk over. A video course on how to get traffic to your sales funnel, and then how to overcome excuses and procrastination, because that's a humongous thing that I have always struggled with. It was procrastinating and, you know, like being productive and whatnot. And but yeah, there's 100% satisfaction money back guarantee. If you don't love anything or whatever, it's free, but you're signing up for free. But if you go and upgrade and stuff like that, there's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Yeah, offer stack, and yeah. So go ahead and click the link in the bio of this video, sign up, get your free sales funnels. Like go, like like go make yourself an account. Even if you have a sales funnel builder and you already have a website and a website builder, hop in here. Maybe you'll get like some motivation and like inspiration to make yourself your own sales funnel. Make yourself your own website using this stuff, and like, like cool stuff like an opt-in, like to get emails and whatnot. Scroll down. Come on, you could do it. Yeah, opt-in page. Yeah, I think these are cool. There's a lot of really cool ones in there. Were they opt-in banners? Yeah, some really cool ones. There are a bunch of different niches too, like like there's fitness and skincare and whatnot. I don't know, dental, whatever. And yeah, really cool. It just makes everything super easy to make, and make you super cool funnels. You got your features button, add features. Yeah, scroll. Footers, headers. Where's the content one? It's right above this. Content. So here's like just like all your writing of your on your website or sales page. But yeah, tons and tons of free stuff. Like really cool. I'll send you this sales funnel template so you can just hop in and start using it. You got to get all my bonuses. You got to click here. You sign up. It'll take you over here. Create your own account. I'm just telling you right now, that's exactly what it's going to be. If you just go to this this website and sign up, you're not going to get my bonuses. So if you want bonuses to help jumpstart your everything, like jumpstart your freaking life, because this is like, there's a ton of awesome stuff in here. And like I have so much free stuff. Like I every time I create a sales funnel or I create like some sort of template or reference page, I send those out to everybody who signs up in my emails. So, hop in here, sign up, get all this free stuff, get free stuff for the rest of your life as I just send you a bunch of free goodies and whatnot. But yeah, no. Free sales funnel, how to make a free sales funnel, how to make a free website, unlimited, all you want. Fantastic builder. I love this builder. I use it for my entire business. All of my websites, all of my emails. I own a marketing agency, so I do all of my agency work on this as well. For all my clients, I have VA access to all their pages and whatnot. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got some value out of it, got some resources. Like sign up with that link to get even more resources and just straight become baller status with all your cool stuff. And yeah, go ahead and smash that subscribe button too. Subscribe to me on YouTube. I'm going to be putting out videos daily, tips and tutorials on how to make sales funnels, how to make killer emails, copywriting. Oh, speaking of copywriting real fast, script generator. If you've all heard of funnel scripts and it costs like an arm and a leg to have, it's get a sales copy. It's literally funnel scripts. And it's included here. Get all your headlines, your emails, ads, sales page. Yeah, I didn't want to miss that because this is one of my favorite things. I use it all the time. It's super cool. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this, show this to your mom, show this to your sisters and your brothers and your friends. Help them all out, help everybody out. Everybody gets templates and resources and free websites and all sorts of cool stuff. So yeah. Stay tuned. See more videos. They're all coming soon. Yeah, you guys take care. Later.